But I feel like expressing, Shirley, thanks for the invite. Always great to interact with like-minded business people. And Bridget, you're in a privileged position to learn this when you're young. I think if only everybody taught us this stuff when we were younger, it would be a lot simpler. But we are where we're supposed to be. That's the journey of life. It's as simple as that. You mentioned around the fun. We still live in the most amazing country in the world. And it's easy to get caught up in the negativity and the media and the politicians. If you take what we have, we are uber successful already. And that should be one, grounding us in gratitude, but creating a platform to do more. Because most of us in business, the better we do, the better others do. And that's as simple as that. Entrepreneurs, you've got the odd shyster out there, the more they get, the more they give. And that's what our country needs more than anything. So if there's to be a future for all of us, we are the people that need to fix it. And days like today is the opportunity to come and think, if nothing else. You get that little bit of relief to go, oh, jeez, it's not just me, thank goodness. So that's beneficial, because we do put ourselves as entrepreneurs under a lot of pressure. But it's that thinking space that we don't always have in the day-to-day grind. And here you don't have to be the superhuman being, you don't have to put on a show for the bank manager or for your staff. You can just be warts and all who you are. And that's critical. So hope you made some good notes. Less is more when it comes to achieving goals. And go out there and do what you deserve. Because if you get what you deserve, I know that other people will benefit in the process too. So great spending the time with you today. Thank you. That's what I feel like expressing.